Hey everyone, Anna here from the For Real YouTube channel. Ever wondered how to unblacklist an IMEI and get your device back in action? If you've tried those sketchy services or complicated software with no luck, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple safe, free, and guaranteed ways to remove a blacklisted IMEI from any Apple or Android phone, including Samsung and others. Let's get your device working perfectly again. Remember, this information is for responsible use only. It's for people who own their device but have forgotten their access info. We do not support or encourage illegal actions like bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. With that said, let's continue. Let's talk about some services first. There are a few solid options out there if you're looking to remove a blacklisted IMEI. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app is the best out there. It's free, always up to date, and super fast. Then there's Safe Unlocks, which has a great track record and only costs $1. ESN Doctor is another good choice, specializing in IMEI blacklist removal. In the next step, we'll show you how to use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant to help remove the blacklist. Go to your browser on your phone or computer and visit unlockhere.com. You'll be greeted by Nifty, the AI-powered tool developed by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down a bit and choose the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Complete the steps on the app by selecting the brand of your device. All major and medium-sized brands are compatible. Next, enter your IMEI or serial number. You can find this by going into your phone's dialer and pressing *#06# to display a pop-up with your IMEI number. Provide your name and email address as a point of contact, and make sure to comply with all the terms and conditions of the app. If you have any questions, check the resources provided for more information. Once your request is processed successfully, you will receive an email with the details of your unlock, which typically takes 5-15 minutes to arrive. Be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. To confirm your order and activate it, copy your verification code, press Confirm IMEI Unlock, paste the code on the page, complete the CAPTCHA, and finalize by pressing Validate Info and Start Unlock. Nifty will then finalize the unlocking process. If you have any trouble with your unlock, you can chat with our live support for assistance. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. Please note that the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for users who watch our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your device model, your IMEI number, and your country. You will be automatically entered once these steps are completed. Alright guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. Contact the carrier. Reach out to your carrier directly. They can provide the most accurate information and may offer solutions specific to their services. Provide proof of ownership to the carrier or authority that blacklisted the IMEI. This could be a receipt or any document showing you are the legitimate owner of the device. If the device was reported lost or stolen and you've recovered it, inform the carrier. They might remove it from the blacklist once they verify the situation. Check the IMEI status regularly. Sometimes blacklists are updated and devices are removed for various reasons. Use online IMEI status checkers to monitor your device's status and stay informed about any changes. If your device was wrongfully blacklisted and you can't resolve the issue through the carrier, consulting a legal professional might be an option. This step should be considered a last resort due to potential costs and time involved. These methods can help you navigate the process of removing a carrier blacklist from your device. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, or if you have any other questions, please comment below. Remember, the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for users who watch our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your device model, your IMEI number, and your country. You will be automatically entered once these steps are completed. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos and helpful tips. Thanks again, and see you next time.